Wanted to give an update of what's going on with the ice as we're looking at the rain moving across northern Michigan. We see there's a fair amount of light to moderate rain moving through the region, and then a pretty decent little slug there down towards M55. We're just going to keep an eye on that part down to the south. That's where our flooding risk is. Otherwise, the rest of the area still has a threat for icing, and we're getting some icing around the area. As we take a quick look at the Grand Rapids radar from earlier, you can see that thick slug of rain that's kind of moving up into their area. And that's why the southwest lower and southeast lower Michigan, as we switch over to the Detroit radar, are under a flood watch. So those will be something to keep an eye on to see if some of that flooding rain gets up into our area. Otherwise, if we look a little farther north to the Montreal River radar that the Canadians have, and we can see some of the snow and some light freezing drizzle that's starting to move into eastern upper Michigan at this point as well. Okay, now just to give a quick overview, we just wanted to show you some of the temperatures around the area, and this was done at about 11:30 earlier. Temperatures really haven't done a whole lot. You can see that the Upper Peninsula has temperatures from right around 20 to the mid-20s, and in the northern lower peninsula we are at right around 30 to about 35, 36 degrees. So if we put that over top of the radar, we'll put a freezing line right about there, and we'll show you that that's everything below that, or above that line, is below 32 degrees. Anything that's above, say, 34, 35 degrees is south of that line and solidly above freezing. And so the battleground is in the middle, and we're getting icing in this area as well, where temperatures are ranging anywhere from 30 to 34 degrees. Some of the areas the observation points are above freezing, and then there are some places that have some cooler temperatures. And not to mention the ground cover is also about 31, 30-ish degrees around some of the area. So we're getting freezing across northern Michigan. Just to give you an idea, here's some of the icing that's occurring outside here at the office on a couple of small plants and trees, and then up the flagpole, and even the line and the flag itself is starting to ice over as well.